Thank you. Tonight's other big story, no charges will be filed against the Kent County deputy in the death of Riley Doggett. The 17-year-old was struck while running away from officers in April after they pulled over what was believed to be a stolen car in Wyoming. Doggett died a month later. 13 on your side's Julia Gorman joins us now. And Julia, attorney Ven Johnson is represented both of these families in these cases.
Yeah, that's right, Juliet. And he says it doesn't add up as to why two such similar cases had such different legal outcomes. We talked with him as well as Riley Doggett's family and the Kent County Sheriff after the prosecutor announced his decision this afternoon.
17-year-old Riley Doggett's family is devastated once again.
Everybody in the world makes mistakes, some bigger than others, but Riley did not deserve to die for any mistake he may or may not have made that day.
That's Riley's mom after Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker announced Kent County Sheriff's Deputy Josiah McMains, who allegedly hit him with his cruiser back in April, will not face charges. Riley died in May. Kent County Sheriff Michelle LaJoy Young says she's upset for Riley and his family.
It's tragic in every account. Our hearts do go out for the family who have lost a loved one with, a life to lead in front of them.
However, she agrees with Prosecutor Becker.
We are thankful for his very thoughtful process and his impartial decision.
I asked the sheriff if there's a specific policy when it comes to how to carry out a chase.
The officer has to make that assessment based on everything that's going on, and it's nearly impossible to put a checklist and a policy that says in every circumstance do this or do this, because it's just more fluid than that.
Ven Johnson is the attorney for both Riley and Samuel Sterling's families.
It seems like highly similar situations with two different results.
The state attorney general announced charges Tuesday against Michigan State Police Detective Sergeant Brian Keeley after he allegedly hit Sterling in an unmarked state police vehicle during a chase in April. He later died. Johnson says he plans to ask the AG to review the Doggett case,
which we believe merits the same type of charges as we now have, thankfully, in the Samuel Sterling case. The only thing I see missing in the Riley Doggett case is that Burger King wasn't right there. Okay, he was running outside of a building. He was running right in front of the police car. You could see the police car come out around him. And then you see the police car, just like in Samuel Sterling case, make an immediate right turn into the path of the pedestrian. Please do not tell me that it doesn't look like the cop hit him on purpose, because it does.
Now, the Kent County Sheriff told me that the deputy involved in Doggett's case will likely return to work soon. Becker says he will be charging the juvenile driver of the car Riley Doggett was riding in. Juliet?
Julia, thanks. Well,